welcome back to our channel. If you're new, my name is Shantae, and together collectively we are called The Right Connection, me, my husband, and our children. So before we get started into this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and smash that bell, okay? So you can get all of our videos that we upload, and you'll be able to go back and see the ones that we have already uploaded, because we got quite a few on there that you can go back and look at that I think you would enjoy. But anyway, we're going to get right into this video. Y'all do not mind how I look, because, okay, if I'm going to show you some stuff in our life, then, baby, you're going to have to get the real me. So this is me without makeup. I plan on doing a get ready with me makeup video here in a little bit, and you might see my hair like this because I got a wig. Remember I told you guys that one of my friends that I know is supposed to be getting it done for me. Well, I went and picked it up yesterday, and I'm going to put that on. So I'm going to do a get ready with me video, but this video probably will go up before the get ready with me video. But please watch the get ready with me video, and please watch all my videos to the end, okay guys? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. I am today going to be, it's another day for me to clean out our refrigerator and reorganize it, okay? Y'all don't play. Y'all know y'all refrigerator is not organized. Most of y'all refrigerators are not organized because you just like me, you work and you be tired when you come home and you don't feel like reorganizing your refrigerator. Well, today is one of my off days, and that is one of the things that I am planning on doing today. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, right here you see what we're working with. Whew, my goodness. Look at the refrigerator from the top to the bottom, which it wasn't a whole lot of work to really do, because most of it I threw away. And you keep watching it till the end, you'll see how much better and is not so cluttered up towards the end. So, yeah. And I'm here showing you the top of it before I start taking everything out. And there go my sausages dropping because it's too cluttered. Again, that's why I'm cleaning it out. right here. I have gotten everything out the refrigerator part, and I am cleaning it thoroughly with some Clorox and water. Y'all excuse my pants. I noticed my pants, the seam of it was twisted. Wow, that is so embarrassing. Okay, y'all.
But anyway, y'all,
enjoy this video
of the refrigerator. I just got through cleaning it all out. It looks so much better. Looks like it's brand new. And you might see some water spots because I just got through cleaning it to the best of my ability. And yep, I got it all pretty much cleaned out. And let me show you the side over here. I got that cleaned out too. It all looks brand new. We have to take time out of our busy schedules and keep our stuff up to date. I know we be tired and everything, but this is what we got to do. So I am going to put everything back in the refrigerator, and I will show you how I organize it. But keep in mind, I am going to try to get some bins to put in here if I can find them to make it even look more organized. But I'm gonna do the best I can to put the stuff we need back in the refrigerator to organize it. Stay tuned. And here are the results. From the freezer part, kind of reorganized it to the best of my ability. We still got a lot of food that obviously we cannot throw away because we're going to eat it. But here is the big transformation in the refrigerator. Now I got to go put some food in it. It looks like we don't have anything now. But yeah, I cleaned it all out, organized it, and everything. I'm going to try to find some things that I can, containers that I can use to put my soda cans and all that stuff up in there. So there you have, guys. I hope you enjoyed this whole clean with me video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.